Hi guys! So today talaga, visit ang awkward. One more. Ah! Hi there! So we're now in Amsterdam and we're staying here for 5 days or 4 days. And then we're gonna move to Rotterdam, and then after that we're gonna go to Belgium, France, Spain, and Portugal. So in total, it's gonna be 20 days. And we only brought carry-ons for that 20 days. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you anong English nun? I'm gonna show you what we brought. Anong English nun? Laban ng English nun?
Nang.
Ay, nagpo-focus ka ba dyan?
Hindi. Anong English ng what?
Um, hindi siya unboxing eh. I'm gonna show you what I pack for 20 days in my carry-on luggage. So I have this one and my favorite bag that I always use on our travels, and my personal item, this one, the sling bag. Okay, so first we will have the luggage. Put it down. Can you just see it? Okay. So the plan is we're just gonna repeat our clothes. So we're gonna do some laundry after wearing one. So we will be able to like fit everything into this 20 by 14 inches luggage. Just carry on. We didn't check in to avoid hassle. So of course I have my bras. I'm not gonna show it, but I brought five bras. And then these are all my clothes. Okay. So I brought dresses because I'm such a girly girl. So let me just put it aside because this is my sleepwear, one of my sleepwear. So I have, let me count the blouses. One, two, ngayon pa nagbilang talaga. So there are two. Then these are the dresses. So I'm just gonna repeat some of them. So 3, 4. Okay, so 4 dresses, and then 1, 2, 3, three blouses, 1 polo sleeves, then 1 skirt, and two jeans. So for this one, this is for my Disney outfit. So I'm gonna wear Belle in the Beauty and the Beast. And then for this one, so this is the sleepwear, my second sleepwear. I have my sleepers here. So since the weather is gonna be rainy or sunny, I made sure to bring sleepers. And then this is my skirt for the Disneyland Paris outfit. And then I brought 1 pair of swimsuit, because 1 pair. Just in case we're gonna go swimming in one of the hotels we're staying in for the 5 countries. And these are all my undergarments. Undergarments plus the outfits, or the fleece that I brought for in case it's cold. So I also brought 3 cyclings because I'm wearing dresses most of the time. And then I have 2 socks. And then 2, what do you call this? Just during the time I'm gonna be wearing my doll shoes. I also brought these 2. My fleece, I think it's called fleece, I'm not sure. And then another, my black outfits pala rito. So in addition to the dresses I mentioned, I also brought one more sleeve, then a terno, a tube, and a shorts. Because I thought it's gonna be summer here, but today we arrive, it's so rainy. Hopefully tomorrow it's gonna be sunny. And then I have one shorts, and then 2 dresses for my museum outfits. And that's everything for this one. And let's go to my Anello bag. Right? My Anello bag. Can you see it here? Okay, so my backpack. So for this one, not gonna show you, but these are my undergarments. I brought 8 of this. And then for this one, this is my sanitizer. And then my liquids, 1 liter of them. My eyeglasses, 1 cute bag. It's a props. It's a props. And then my cluster lashes, because my lashes are like, some of them wear off and I need to repair them, so I brought this one with my tweezers and an umbrella. My another doll shoes here. It's not from Shein, it's from Browns. I just used this pouch because, you know, reusable. So this one, I'm gonna pair my dresses for with this one. And then our hairdressers for the Disney outfit. Look at that. These things I bought it from Shein. And then my crown for the Belle outfit. Socks. And another additional for my Belle outfit. And then my makeup pouch. Everything is here. In here, my brushes, the accessories. I put them here. Let me just show the necklaces. And then another one, the earrings. There we go. And then my antiperspirant deodorant. Everything is in here. My brush, my other makeup things. So also I brought some napkins just in case the red days come, and of course the very important ones, the Tide detergent, so I can laba. And then that's for my Anello bag. And for the personal item, small personal item, these are the important ones. So of course I put my phone here, and then passport here, and the IDs, some wipes, and my lipstick, my lipstick and lip balm. And some oil control and paper, oil control paper, and of course, most important one, rosary, and like a key for our house when we go back, and just a curler for my eyelashes. Okay, that's everything that I brought for our 20 days trip here in Europe. Bye.
Bye.